Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Fun Friday. I have some really fun activities for you to do with your kids today that I wanted to bring to you. I have a language arts activity, a math activity, and then a couple different art activities for you to do. So, I know Easter is a few days away, so many of you probably have plastic eggs around your house. These are great to use for learning activities. You can open them up. You could write a sight word or 10 or 5 different sight words on a piece of paper. Making sure that you're only putting one per paper is important. And then just tear it apart. Put it inside your egg. And then go hide your eggs around the house. Have your kids go out, go on a word hunt. When they find the egg, this is important, have a piece of paper with them. When they find their egg, they're going to open it up. They're going to say what sight word it is, they. They can spell it, T-H-E-Y, to practice letter recognition. And then you can have them write it on a piece of paper to practice their handwriting. So there's lots of different ways you can extend this activity with them. I would work on any of the sight words really, but the sight words that you've been working on this week would do just fine as well. You could also do this if your child is struggling with letters and sounds. You could pick 10 different letters and sounds to work on. Write a capital and a lowercase. Hide it in the egg, just like this. Hide it in the egg, and then go put them around your house. Have them find the egg, open it up, say what letter it is, capital A, lowercase a, and the sound, ah, ah, ah. And you might need to be with your kids as they do that so you can help them if they get the letter wrong or the sound wrong, and you're just there to facilitate that. So that's 2 really easy language arts activities you can do with them that will be really fun and they'll really enjoy that. Now, another thing for math you could do is kind of similar. You can write numbers. So we're working on 0 through 20. So you could work on, say, 11 through 20 with them right now, and just write it on the piece of paper, put it in the egg. 11, put it in the egg. Go hide them around your house or your yard. Let them find them. And they can write the number 11, they can say the number 11, they can draw pictures to show how many is in number 11. We haven't really worked on 10s and 1s, but you could teach them. 11 has one group of 10 and 1. That's an extension activity you could do. You could have them, when they find the number, you could have them, if you have beans or noodles, you could have them count out how many for each number and make a group of 11 or 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's lots of different easy things you can do at home that don't require you going to the store to get anything. So you could do that with numbers. You can also do it with addition and subtraction. We've worked on up to 5 or up to 10. You may have to draw pictures for them so they can see it, but that's a good way to practice their math facts as well. So after you do language arts and math, I have some really fun art activities for you to do with them. So we have our eggs that we can use. I have I have some paint on a paper, on a plate. If you don't have paint, you can Google how to make paint at home, and there's actually a really easy recipe with like 3 ingredients that you can make your own paint at home. I have different cookie cutters that go with kind of the theme of Easter, bunny rabbits, eggs, flowers, some chicks. So what you could do is just have them dip the cookie cutter into the paint. I always make sure I cover my surface with like newspaper or something so we don't drip paint everywhere. But it looks something like this, and then you just put it onto your paper. Push down hard. and it will leave the stencil of whatever shape you just did. Let me do a darker color so you can see. I kind of just chose fun spring-like colors. Maybe you can see that egg a little bit better. But they can just go through and make a collage with the different shapes. And this is just really fun activity for them to do that they'll really enjoy doing. Because in kindergarten, we try to paint at least once or twice a week. My bunny rabbits. Can do flowers. They could overlap. They could just put it wherever they want. It's really up to them to create the image they want to make. So you get the idea with that. And then you can also use these eggs that we were using earlier. If you take them apart, you can dip this part into the paint as well and paint with the half of the Easter egg circle. And you can do some overlapping. It's really fun. So, as you can see, they can be really creative of how they want to do it, which way they want to do it. They can make more than one if you have lots of different paper. They can make it on colored paper. It's really up to you how you want to run this activity. But I tell you, they will really have a lot of fun with this. So all you need is cookie cutters. If you have them in the shape of Easter type things or whatever type of cookie cutters you have, that's fine. And then you can use those eggs like I did and make the circles. So I'm thinking of you. I hope you have fun with these Fun Friday activities and have a great weekend. Bye.